Holy sh! Everybody, I'm on a tornado warned supercell in Quakertown, PA.
Velocity in the rotation.
Tornado warning's in effect.
Here we go. Now I'm getting the extreme emergency.
Tornado
warning is now in effect. It is issued a warning for this cell that we're chasing.
Here we go.
Like literally seconds ago. Still no visual on it though. When the National Weather Service issues these warnings, they're Doppler radar indicated, so they're relying on ground reports and spotter reports. So if I see something or Ray sees something, we'll be calling the National Weather Service and letting them know there's a confirmed tornado on the ground or a funnel. I don't see visual of that yet, but that does not mean that one can't pop at any moment with the amount of rotation that's shown on here.
Some nice inflow.
A lot, my God.
Yeah, we're definitely getting inflow to the storm. That's a sign of some pretty strong winds, if nothing else. Yeah. And we are in perfect position right now. It may go just to our immediate south. Maybe to our immediate south. Scan to the left there, if you will, right? I just want to see the left side there. Because if it's going to form, it's going to be on that southwest portion of it, right? Nothing there yet. I can't tell. Might be something right in there, but I can't really tell.
All right, now we're getting a few good wind gusts here. I don't have my anemometer on me right now, but now it's about 25 miles an hour wind gust. Expect that to go higher shortly. Currently, Bobby is not with me today. He's at the weather desk monitoring the severe weather threat by myself today. We're getting this coming through right now. You can see the rain shaft behind it here. All right, so we are going to bring it in relatively soon. Winds are starting to pick up. See a nice lightning strike out there. And again, if you're in the path of this storm, take cover. A lot of these storms can go tornado warned at any time. All right, and stay safe out there.